Hello everybody, welcome to Cook with Zunsar. Today we are making this delicious chicken curry. So we start to put in our pressure cooker 3 tablespoons of oil, or you can use olive oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick is so nice because it gives one different flavor in your chicken curry, and a few black pepper seeds. So once it's warm, the oil is warm, you must put 1 chopped onion, and you must braise the onion until it gets golden brown, like a brown color in the onion. You can always make this chicken curry in a normal pot. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can make in a normal pot. The way I'm making it, so here we see the onions are brown. It must get like this nice color. Then we're gonna add 1 grated tomato. I always use grated tomato, but if you want to cut it, make sure you peel the tomato and then you cut it small pieces, like finely chopped tomato. Then you must add 1 teaspoon chopped ginger. You can make a paste also and put it, is not a problem. And 1 tablespoon tomato paste, just to make that red color on the curry. You must give a good mix. Then it's time to add the spices. So we start to put 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. All this is available in any Indian store or any grocery store. You can add also 2 teaspoons red chili powder. If you don't like it spicy, you change the chili powder with paprika just to give that color, and a pinch of turmeric. Now we must mix nicely all the spices so the onion and the tomato gets the spices get incorporated with the onion and tomato. It gets like a nice type of paste. Now you must add 1 tablespoon garlic paste. You can chop the garlic and put, no problem with it. You must give this a good mix, and then we must put our chicken pieces. I use around 300 to 400 grams of chicken. You can add more chicken. If you add more chicken, you must add more onion and tomato. Now we add our salt per taste, the way you like it. Now we must give a good mix on all this, so the spices and the onion gravy and tomato gravy gets incorporated with the chicken. Once you see this oil is releasing, once the oil release, it's time to put our potatoes. You just cut the potatoes, and then you can add the potatoes and give a good mix again. I used here 2 medium-sized potatoes because I like my chicken curry with so much potatoes. Once all incorporated, we must add around 2 cups of water. Now we give a mix so all the chicken and the potato goes inside the water, and then we're gonna cook this Now we can close the lid of the pressure cooker and let it cook for 10 minutes or 2 whistles. The curry is done. You can open the pressure cooker. Don't forget to release the steam, and your curry is ready. Now you can see this beautiful color in the curry. Don't worry, it's not so spicy. As I told you, if you don't want it so spicy, you just add paprika instead of chili powder, so it gives this good color in the curry, and it tastes the same because all the spices are there, but it's not chili. Check, this beautiful curry is ready to serve. I serve this curry with some rotis or chapatis. You can serve with it, and you can serve with rice if you like it also. This beautiful curry, your whole family will love it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next recipe video.